Welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to install the Trust Wallet app so that you can join Forsage BSC. So the first step here is going to trustwallet.com. I've got a Samsung, so I'm going to install the Android version. If you got an iPhone, you just go to the App Store and do exactly the same. So I'm going to click on get it on Google Play. Then I will click install. So now the installation is completed, and now you have to open the app so that you create a new wallet. So we are going to click on open, and then we are going to click on this blue button that says create a new wallet. Just make sure to read the privacy policy and the terms of service, and then you check this here and you click continue. Next, you need to make sure that you back up your wallet, meaning that you need to save and store the 12 secret words. So we just check this and we click continue. And then you can see here your 12 secret words. After saving and storing these 12 secret words, you just click this button, continue. Okay. So now you just need to verify the recover phrase. You just tap the words to put them next to each other in the correct order. So I'm doing that right now. And then after doing that, you just click the button done. And now the wallet is being created. Okay. And that's it. Your wallet was successfully created. So click done and you can enable push notifications. And that's it, guys. The wallet is ready to be used.